Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Let's make shrimp or prawn powder with crayfish. Here I have my shrimp. This is the shrimp. This is my shrimp. I removed the head and the tail. Oh, I did not remove this one. Remove this part. So this is what I have remaining. I like to remove the head and the tail. I'm not going to be grinding this. We're going to be grinding the head and the tail, which we've removed. The head and the tail. Mostly the head anyway. So I'm going to be grinding this into powder to make our seasoning. So we're going to be taking half of this and then all of this and grind it to powder. Let's get started. So here we have the shrimp and the crayfish powder, or prawn as you may call it, prawn and the crayfish powder. I'll also be grinding crayfish powder alone. I'll be grinding crayfish into powder only. I'll also be grinding only crayfish into powder. Two people requested for this. One person wants a mixture of shrimp or prawn with crayfish, and then another person wants only crayfish powder. So let's grind the crayfish also. This is the crayfish I'll be grinding. And here we have our crayfish and prawn powder. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.